people who have computerized more homes, businesses, and schools than anyone else introduce a great new package for the Commodore 128. Now, when you buy the higher intelligence of a Commodore 128 and a Commodore 1571 disk drive, you get Extra Smarts for free. The Extra Smarts, they're 3 totally integrated programs from Digital Solutions, the software solutions people. For the price of the 128 and a disk drive, you get Paperback Writer, Paperback Filer, and Paperback Planner, a professional word processor, a professional database manager, and a computerized spreadsheet. Over $200 of sophisticated, easy-to-use software, free. Software created for use specifically on Commodore systems. The Commodore 128 is the newest addition to the 64 family of products. The systems that have revolutionized home use for computers. With over 5 million Commodore 64s installed, the new 128 owner will be joining a worldwide network of dealer support and user organizations. Not to mention over 3,000 programs available for 64 and 128 use, including its own 128 program and CPM business software. The 128 is the most versatile computer in its class. You start with 128K of memory, which is easily expandable to 512K. More than enough power for the beginner and enough, in the expanded mode, for the experienced user to stay with for years. The 128 is fully compatible with Commodore 64 accessories and its own group of peripherals that will maximize the use and power of your 128. All in all, the Commodore 128 gives you incredible value without any sacrifice in quality. But the real smarts start with the software. The 3 programs you receive free when you purchase your Commodore 128 have been developed by Digital Solutions specifically for use on Commodore 64 and 128 systems. Paperback Writer, Paperback Filer, and Paperback Planner are powerful, fast, fully featured programs designed around one very important idea. They are easy to use. In fact, the average beginner should take no longer than 30 minutes to get results from Digital Solution software. Plus, once you learn the command structure for one of the programs, you've essentially learned the structure for the remaining 2. Paperback Writer is the word processing program. Besides containing all the commands and help features of the Paperback series, Paperback Writer shows you exactly what your document will look like when you print it. What you see is what you get. Paperback Writer offers all standard word processing features, plus on-screen boldface, italics, underlines, superscripts, and subscripts. Full screen editing, including the ability to move, copy, and delete blocks of text. The ability to hold 2 documents in memory and cut and paste between the 2, and more. Plus, Paperback Writer is compatible with existing Paperclip, EasyScript, and WordPro files. Paperback Filer is a database manager that allows you to organize mailing lists, addresses, inventories, telephone numbers, and other information in an easily accessible form. Any type of business record or data, personal file or list can be entered, sorted, and retrieved efficiently and rapidly within the parameters you request. The power of Paperback Filer allows you considerable flexibility in generating reports. You can print selected fields independently of the total database, rearrange file layout to a special print layout, and arrange records in columns to save space or to print mailing labels, as well as the capability to sort files by up to 9 criteria and save up to 9 sorts. Paperback Planner, a powerful spreadsheet program, is the final part of your Extra Smarts package. Planner allows you to make fast work of all your bookkeeping, budgeting, and forecasting needs. Easily learned and incredibly sophisticated, Planner allows you to enter data rapidly, manipulate information easily, and quickly reevaluate. Containing the standard spreadsheet abilities, Planner also features fast cursor movement with up to 25,000 separate cells available for data entry. A smart evaluation function analyzes entered formulas in natural order as opposed to straight horizontal or vertical sequence, as other spreadsheets do, and other features not offered by comparable spreadsheet software. Plus, Planner is compatible with existing VisiCalc files. One very important feature of the Digital Solutions package is that the programs are fully integrated. You can create a document on Paperback Writer, prepare charts for the document on Paperback Planner, then have it printed on any printer with individually addressed copies from a Paperback Filer database. Ease of use, power, simplified control structure, and printer flexibility have made this Digital Solutions software package the software of choice by over 80,000 users in the last 3 months. Now that you've seen the extra smarts and heard about the 128's value, it's time you took advantage of this great deal. Sit down at a Commodore 128 and try it. And try the Digital Solutions software. The Extra Smarts package from Commodore. Buy a Commodore 128 plus a disk drive and get over $200 of Digital Solutions software free. Now that's an intelligent deal from the folks who bring you the higher intelligence of the Commodore 128.